When introducing the multiplication tables, we introduce the doubles first, so your child would become comfortable with the width and breadth of the chart. Next, we did the nines because the nines have really cool trick to it, and 9 is a scary number for a lot of kids. Thirdly, we introduced the twos. Those are the doubles in addition. Most children know their doubles in addition, which makes the twos an easy one. So after they've had two that they were a bit more frightened about, but successful anyway, we cannot give them a break with the twos. Then the fourth lesson that's introduced are the fives. Here again, most children are pretty capable of counting by fives. They have a fairly good understanding of those, so the combinations aren't too foreign for them. And also, the students are learning their upper numbers with the fives and the twos. They're also kind of painlessly getting exposed to 2 times 7, which is also 7 times 2, and 5 times 8, which is also 8 times 5. And we haven't done the 7s and the 8s. The children are sort of learning them anyway because multiplication is commutative. We can flip the terms and still get the same answer. So when you've learned 9 times 8 is 72 with that trick with the nines, the child also has incorporated an 8's combination, 8 times 9, because that's also 72. That's another reason why I would like the children to see the cards on both sides. So if we have this combination, I also want them to see it like this, so they realize that 8 times 2, that's an 8's multiplication, and this is a 2's multiplication. But they're learning the same answer, and that's applicable to both. So even though we've done some easy ones in here, your child is being exposed to the combinations that we haven't done yet, but have the same answers. So with that said, let's go with the 5's. And I write those down a little differently. I do them vertically for 5's. So it looks like this: 5, 10, 15, 20. At this time, I get a chance to talk about odds and evens. When 5 is multiplied by an odd number, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, these are odd numbers, the answer is an odd answer. When 5 is multiplied by an even number, 5 times 2, 5 times 4, 5 times 6, 5 times 8, we get an even answer. So odds and evens can be explained at that point. So let's get 5 out of our deck of cards. Here's one. And we'll start by pointing.